Children, in this video I am going to tell you the factorization of the algebraic expression by splitting the middle term. Okay. In earlier videos also I have explained this method, and so here again I am with this new video and with this new question. Okay. And here in this we have to factorize this expression 7x square minus 19x minus 6. Okay. And we have to apply splitting the middle term. So you can see that there are three terms, so this middle term will be minus 19x. Okay. The first step that is needed to be applied is that we have to see that what two numbers we should take, so that by adding those two numbers we will get minus 19x. Okay. The middle term, like these two factors, when adding them we will get minus 19x, and when we multiply the same terms, those two factors, if we multiply, we will get 7x squared into minus 6, that is minus 42x squared. Okay, so we have to multiply those two same terms or factors in order to get minus 42x squared. So we have to see that what two factors we should take that will satisfy both this condition. So we have, because the middle term is in negative, it means the bigger number should be a negative integer and the smaller one should be positive. Okay, why? Because when we add them, the sign will be of the bigger number. So we have minus 21x and plus 2x, isn't it? Because minus 21x plus 2x, minus plus is the operation of subtraction will be there, and we will get minus 19x. Why? Because the bigger number is having minus sign. Okay, the sign of negative is there, so minus 19x. And now let's see whether this two factors, they are satisfying the second condition or not. So it is minus 21x into 2x, so we will get minus 42x squared. So we are satisfying the second condition as well. So in place of minus, the second step is now 7x squared minus, in place of 19x, what we have to put? We have to put minus 21x plus 2x. Okay, and minus 6. Okay, now we got four terms, so we can get two pairs. So here this two we will be pairing up them. Okay, 6 can be split into 3 into 2. 6 can be written as 3 into 2. Okay, 6. Now 7x squared minus 21x. What common term we can find in these two terms is that 21 can be written as 3 into 7, that is 21. So we can see that here 7 is there and here also 7 is there. So 7 will be taken as common. Here x square is there and here one single x is there. So at least one x can be taken as common. Now what we are left with? We are left with, because this 7 is here, okay, and this, out of this 2x we have taken one x as common. So we are left with x minus, okay. Here also in this 7x is taken as common, we are left with 3. Okay. Now plus, see, 6 can be written as 3 into 2. So here it is 2x and here also 2 is there. So only 2 can be taken as common. Why? Because here in the first term of the second pair x is there, but in the second term of the second pair there is no x. So we cannot take x as common. Okay, so we are left with x minus 3. Okay, always remember, whatever common we are getting inside this bracket, we will get the same terms in the next pair also. Okay, now out of this x minus 3, we will take x minus 3 common and we are left with 7x plus 2. Okay, so this is the way we have to factorize the given algebraic expression. Hope you understood, and kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.